أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will learn lesson number 4. الدرس الرابع. الدرس lesson الرابع fourth lesson we will learn inshallah. البيت we learn before البيت the home. في البيت if we use في means in. في البيت in the home. Al masjidu meaning is masjid. Fil masjidi in the masjid. So fi meaning is in. Fil masjidi in the masjid. Al maktabu the table. Alal maktabi on the table. Ala mean is on. Ala meaning is on. Al maktabi is table. Alal maktabi on the table. As sariru the bed. Alas sariri on the bed. So this fi and ala if we use then it's give its noun to jar. It's give kasra to its noun. Fil baiti means it's give kasra at the last vowel. Fil baiti. Fil masjidi. Alal maktabi. Alas sariri. Ba. Aina Muhammadun. Where is the Muhammad? Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. Wa aina Yasiru. Where is the Yasir? Huwa fil hammam. He is in the bathroom. Wa aina Aminatu. Where is the Amina? Hiya fil madbakhi. She is in the kitchen. Aina al kitabu. Where is the book? Huwa ala al maktabi. It is on the table. Wa aina as-sa'atu. Where is the watch? Hiya ala as-sariri. It is on the bed. Al-madbakhu means kitchen. Tamarin exercise. Ajib anil as'ilatil atiya. Answer the following questions. Aina al-kitabu. Where is the book? Huwa ala al-maktabi. Aina Muhammadun. Where is the Muhammad? Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. Aina as-sa'atu. Where is the watch? Hiya ala as-sariri. Aina Yasiru. Huwa fil hammami. Aina Aminatu. Hiya fil madbakhi. Aminatu fil ghurfati. Is Amina in the room? No. Aminatu fil madbakhi. She is in the kitchen. Ayasirun fil madbakhi. Is Yasir in the kitchen? La. Yasirun fil hammami. No. Yasir in the bathroom. Man fil ghurfati. Who is in the room? Muhammadun fil ghurfati. Muhammad in the room. Man fil hammami. And who is in the bathroom? Yasir fil hammami. Yasir in the bathroom. Mada alal maktabi. What is on the table? Al-kitabu alal maktabi. Mada ala sariri. What is on the bed? As-sa'atu ala sariri. Watch on the bed. Ikra waqtu ma zabta wa akhir al-kalimat. Read and write down with the last vowel. You have to say pronounce. You have to pronounce last word. Al-madrasatu. Fil madrasati. If we use fi, so it's give kasra to its noun. Fil madrasati. Fil baiti. If we are not using anything, then it's get zamma. Pesh we can say. Al baitu. Al ghurfatu. Al hammamu. Fil matbakhi. Al maktabu. Ala al maktabi. Ala al kursiyi. السرير على الكتاب في المسجد. اقرأ واكتب. Read and write down. الطالب في الجامعة. The student in the university. الرجل في المسجد. The man in the masjid. أين التاجر. Where is the merchant or businessman? هو في الدكان. He is in the shop. القلم على المكتب. the pen on the table. أين زينب? Where is the Zainab? هي في الغرفة. She is in the room. أين الورق? Where is the leaf or paper, you can say, or page. وعلى المكتب, it is on the table. أين المدرس? Where is the teacher? هو في الفصل. He is in the classroom. أين ياسر? Where is the ياسر? هو في المرحاض. He is in the toilet. الشمس والقمر في السماء. The sun and moon in the sky. من في الفصل? Who is classroom. Right now over here is names. محمد, آمنة, خالد, زينب, حامد, ياسر, عمار, سعيد, علي, عباس. So these all are Arabic names. If Arabic name is there, we have to pronounce with the tanween. Male name, if it is there, Muhammadun. If female name is there, so we have to not pronounce with tanween, only zamma. That means you have to pronounce with the pesh. Aminatu, Zainabu, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aishatu, Khadijatu, Safiyatu, Ruqayyatu. اقرأ واكتب ما ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Read and write down with the pronouns of the last vowel. حامد, زينب, آمنة, عمار, سعيد, فاطمة, مريم, علي, خالد, عباس, عائشة, محمد, صفية, خديجة. Now, inshallah, lesson number 4B we will learn in next lecture or in next video.